Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can voice call on Google Chat. So to do so, first of all, you need to be in the app library and just find Google Chat. So after you find that, just tap on open and open it. So now once you're in the home page, just go to direct messages, which is on this bar-like thing right next to the home like icon. Tap on it and now just tap on the conversation, and now you'll be able to see this video chat like icon right next to this search bar. So after you long press it, you'll see chat audio and chat video. If you want to have a video call, just tap on chat video, and if you want to have an audio call, tap on chat audio. So guys, that's how you voice call on Google Chat. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.